What is going on, guys? It's Chris with Triple Play TV, and I am here in our brand new bowling alley. Oh yeah, check out the seats, the tables. We wanted to redo our bowling alley to create a more social atmosphere for you guys to be able to come out here, hang out with your friends, roll some strikes, and enjoy the new atmosphere, the new lights, the new sound. Let's check it out. What's that? Your phone's dying? Oh, and you want to take a picture of your amazing strike you just got? Don't worry, guys. We got you. Dang it. Never get it the first try. Not enough USBs, guys, and you brought your own? Huh? You got a full power block? That's all right. You can plug in here too. Ready to go. In other bowling alleys, you might have to put your extremely expensive Crocs right on the floor, and your friends are stepping on them, possibly spilling beverages. Here, we've got cubbies, specifically for any size shoe. There they are. Hard to miss, guys. You probably noticed the giant projectors. So yes, that does mean during football season, basketball, we will have your favorite game on. So grab your friends, come on in, grab some beers, or some just whatever beverages you choose, grab some food, and have some fun bowling. One of my favorite things about this new bowling alley is our scoring systems and program. Starting from your process at the front desk, we're getting you set up. There's no confusion. You're gonna know exactly which lane is yours because your name will be up on the top. It'll also tell you who's gonna be bowling on this lane. So first things first, we're gonna click Get Started. And as you can see on here, there's countless different games that you can play here. We're really excited about that feature. There's one where you take a picture of yourself, and each different ball you throw gets you glasses, gets you a different nose, gets you different mouth, whatever. We have Angry Birds on here. We've got games for kids that are, I don't want to say dumbed down, but they are shortened into 5 frames. So for the kids, you know, 3-4-year-old, they only have a certain attention span. We wanted to have something here for them to do. So it's only 5 frames. We're going through that. So let's just pick a game. Let's try pin picks. So we're gonna add my photo. Let's get my face in there. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. I should have smiled, but I didn't. That is a horrible picture. We're gonna roll with it. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Save. And we're gonna click Start Game. Do a little bowling acknowledgement. We're gonna stay safe on the lanes. I agree. Need a ball. Lucky number 13. All right, so there's my picture up there. We're getting started. I'm gonna throw my first ball, and that's gonna decide what I'm going to end up getting, either eyes, nose, or mouth. Yes. All right, I'm getting hair. That's good, because my hair doesn't look, okay, so some type of hat. So that changes the reel into that you're going to get some type of hat or wig, all right? And then the second ball is going to decide what it's gonna be. Let's see what happens. Bananas, it's bananas. There's bananas on the screen, I guess. I'm getting, what are the chances that I get a leprechaun hat? Let's be honest, that's fitting. One of the other things I love about this new bowling alley, guys, is the upgraded lights and sound. All right, we got a crisper sound as opposed to the big booming stuff we had before. Our lights are all on DMX and Chasers and Wild. We also have a daytime version, so if you're planning on coming in the daytime, it won't be so crazy. You know, this bowling alley, during the reno, we really wanted to create something that was creating that social atmosphere. We wanted to get people in here, hanging out with their friends, eating some food, and bowling is the byproduct of it. It's not what you came here to do. We want you guys to come in, have some fun. Regardless of the style of bowling you want to do, professional or just some games, we've got you covered.